Hey, my name is Johnny Milakovic from Weber Exclusive, and today I'm driving our 2012 Lexus RX 350 Sport. And I'm going to tell you my top 3 favorite things that I love about this vehicle. First thing I love is all the features, ranging from heated seats to Bluetooth and voice command, sunroof, rear view camera. It's got it all. Navigation as well. Number 2 is the 3.5 liter V6 engine with 270 horsepower, so it's sporty. It's like you're driving a sports car when you need to. And thirdly, is just the timeless design of the RX 350. I mean, they've stuck with what's worked. If you drive the 2015 that we also have in the showroom, it's essentially the same vehicle, but obviously this one's a little bit cheaper. Just as smooth as a ride and just as comfortable. You know, Lexus really lives up to their name with the RX 350. But you'd have to experience it for yourself. So come on down to 5611 104th Street on Calgary Trail, or call us and book a test drive at 780-435-5545.